Welcome back to Smart Speak English. Today we're tackling one of those really tricky grammar points for English learners that often confuse difference between the present perfect and the simple past. If you've ever wondered, should I say I did or I have done, well, you're definitely in the right place. Our mission in this deep dive is basically to clear it all up for you, give you that shortcut.
Exactly. And, getting this right isn't just about grammar rules. It's really about getting your meaning across clearly. It's pretty crucial for fluent communication. Helps you signal when something happened versus maybe if it happened or its result now. So yeah, we're here to help make these ideas really click.
Okay, let's unpack this then. We should probably start with the simple past. Think of it like a marker in history. It pins down an action that finished at a specific time in the past, a known time. Like, I visited London last year. See? That last year really nails it down, doesn't it? Action's over. Time's clear. It's done.
And that's the beauty of it. Yeah, a clear pin on the timeline. But what if the pin doesn't matter? Or you just want to talk about the experience, without saying when. That's where you need a different tool. That's the present perfect. So if you say, I have visited London, well, you're just saying it happened sometime. The when isn't the main point. It's whether you've had that experience, maybe how it connects to now.
Right, and I think for a lot of learners, this is where it gets a bit fuzzy. How do you make it feel natural? Let's try that classic example, losing your keys. If you say, I lost my keys yesterday, simple past, specific time, finished event, right? But what if you rush in looking stressed and say, I've lost my keys? What's different there?
Absolutely. That I've lost my keys is so much more than just a past fact. It's a current problem. It means you still don't have them. You're probably still looking. The present perfect often has this now feeling, linking something in the past straight to your present situation. That's a key takeaway. And you see this with general experiences too, like movies. If I ask, did you see that movie on Friday? I'm asking about a specific past time slot, Friday. But if I just ask, have you seen that movie? Maybe ever. I'm asking about your whole life experience up to this moment. Does that movie exist in your personal history? Forget the when. You got to think about the real question underneath.
Okay, so trying to boil it down, like a simple rule almost. If the time is specific or it's important or the action is definitely finished into the past, go for simple past. But if the time isn't the point or it's vague or there's a result now or it's about life experience, then it's present perfect.
Yeah, that's a good way to think about it. And some words really flag which tense to use. They're like little signposts. For simple past, look for things like yesterday, last week, in 2020, 2 hours ago. Clear timestamps. For present perfect, you often see words like ever, never, already, just, yet, so far. These often link to now or an unspecified past time.
All right, listener, quick test time, no pressure, just to see if this is sinking in. First one, I be to Paris 3 times. What fits? It should be it's life experience, yeah. Okay, now this one. I go to Paris in 2018. That in 2018 changes it, right? So it's what? Simple past.
See? Those examples make it pretty clear, don't they? And here's one last sort of powerful tip. When you talk about life experiences generally, use present perfect. I've traveled a lot. But, and this is important, the moment you say when one of those experiences happened, I went to Spain last summer, boom. You switch straight to simple past for that specific detail, like zooming in on your timeline. So next time you're talking, maybe just pause, ask yourself, does the specific time really matter for what I want to say right now? That question alone can solve a lot of the confusion, and just keep practicing. That's how it sticks.
Yeah, practice makes perfect. We really hope this deep dive helped clear things up and gave you some solid tools for these tenses. If it was helpful, please do us a quick favor like this, share it, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe to Smart Speak English for more English insights made simple.
Honestly, you're probably doing better than you think. Keep going.